Hey there, makers! Ever wondered how those cool 3D polystyrene figures are made? Well, today we're diving into a world of hot wire cutting. We'll show how to transform a simple block of foam into a stunning 3D masterpiece. Get ready to be amazed! If you set the value to 32, the rotary table will complete a full rotation, 360 degrees. Therefore, to rotate it 90 degrees, you need to set the value to 8. When you click the arrow button, the rotating table will turn 90 degrees. Increase the velocity now. The rotating table will turn more quickly. Now, let's write some G-code. As you can see in this G-code, the CNC machine moves down, then moves forward while the Z-axis rotates. After that, it moves up and returns to the starting point. Now, we will also write the G-code for the hot wire, M3S100. Now, copy and paste the code 3 times for a complete rotation. Now, we'll copy and paste the code 3 times to complete a full rotation. Then, we'll use this G-code to run a test. We proceeded to the final step, the actual cutting operation. However, the result, as you can observe, is unsatisfactory. The polystyrene has been damaged due to an excessive cutting speed. The hot wire lacked the necessary dwell time to effectively vaporize the polystyrene, leading to an imperfect cut. We're going to cut a rectangular prism, or parallelepiped to be precise, from a large block of foam. Our goal is to create a perfectly square piece of foam, or more accurately, a foam cube. Oh no! I had to restart the web page, and you know what that means for Costycnc usually. But phew, the G-code was saved on the SD card, so we're all good. Let's run a test straight from the SD card and hope for the best. The G-code appears to be complete. After navigating through a maze of issues and setbacks, we finally reached our destination, the cutting phase. As you may recall, I've also tweaked the cutting speed in an attempt to achieve the perfect cut. Let's see if our efforts have paid off. And there you have it. We successfully completed our 3D polystyrene project. Typically, this type of work requires sophisticated 3D modeling software and specialized tools to convert the design into G-code, which is quite a complex process. However, as we demonstrated, it's entirely possible to achieve impressive results without advanced knowledge. By simply writing a few lines of G-code directly in the web page, we were able to create our desired shape. Pretty amazing, right? If you found this video informative and entertaining, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content.